very boring and dull market on this Friday. You could see the market has a gap down on the S&P and then just kind of chops around all day, not moving very much. So yesterday the market sold off, just kind of continues a prop up price action. Nasdaq kind of the same thing, extends a little more to the downside, a little bit more movement, but still pretty much sideways throughout the day. And the results on the day, we did not trade again today. We're on the 10th calendar, to February the 10th. We haven't traded yet in February, and the hypothetical end of day drawdown is 91.05, and the hypotheticals today were minus 39.25 on the 250K, minus 785 on the 50K. This is kind of in line, with last month. It's choppy at the beginning of the month, and so we are. I think it's down a little bit on the month. There were gains at the beginning of the month. I have to look at the latest portfolio calculator, but I think we were up as much as 7 to 9K on the beginning of the month. So it's back to about break even. And we have CPI on Tuesday. So I anticipate Monday to be choppy, and intraday or end of day on Monday potentially being a good time to get in on a drawdown. I will send out a drawdown alert when I do that, either intraday or end of day. And so, you could wait for about a $900 drawdown, $1,000 to $2,000 drawdown intraday, just to see how Monday opens. I just think that Monday's going, as we wait for CPI, I just think we're going to get another day like today, where there's not going to be a lot. The market is in a different phase now than it used to be, where it just waits for big events. It focuses on big events like the Fed or on CPI, and it just kind of drifts. And when it drifts, it's hard to trade. And so we could just, you get another $3,900 drawdown. You're down 13K. Good entry point there on Monday if you're down the same amount, or could just phase in intraday. It's probably, we're working towards the middle of the month, and we don't want to miss a move up either. But we, with CPI coming out on Tuesday, CPI doesn't necessarily mean there's going to be a big trend. Market could be choppy Monday and Tuesday, or it could turn into a trend at some point soon. So we shall see. The trends, the strongest trends have been at the end of the month, and so we're just on the 10th of the month, and so we want to keep our powder dry and trade the best opportunities with our algos, and continue to work for strategies that will do well all month. And so it's just the state of the market. Viper had one winner, one loser today. Tick Reversal had a long loser and a short loser today. It was due for a losing streak after these two had a big run up, especially Tick Reversal 2023. It sat out today. Tick Reversal pulled back from its equity peak, and then EVP1 lost twice on the long side. And so S&P strategies, 2 for 2. Mirror was up on the day on a long trade and filled the gap, kind of a gap fill type of strategy. And then Tick Fader was up on the day. So S&P was 2 for 2, while the Nasdaq strategies were 0 for 3. And so once again, these are the trades on the day for Friday, last trading day of the week, February the 10th, 2023, and Monday, February 13th, and then Valentine's Day, February 14th, we get CPI. And so that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for that drawdown entry alert, like we continue to talk about, so we can get some live results on the month. And so I anticipate we'll see that starting next week. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.